As we draw closer to the end of phase 2 of the lockdown and marinate on that possible 6-month state of emergency extension, we figured we would speculate with you on what comes next. It would appear that the command center is divided into 3. Those who say, let's end the lockdown, which probably is not a good idea because the corona situation is still being assessed. Others say, let's extend this lockdown, which is bound to stir a lot of feelings, particularly for night crawlers. And finally, those who say we should have a partial lockdown. Now, there are a few things to consider for a lockdown extension, right? First of all, not a lot of people are wired to work from home in Lesotho. This is yet another train we missed as other nations developed. A small cluster of us can afford to have a consistent Wi-Fi at home to either work or study. Secondly, have we stopped to think about our essential service providers and the dangers they are in? Majority of them don't have medical aid. They put themselves at risk every day. A lot of them are subject to exposure when taking public transport, serving customers, or walking through harsh weather. Jole flu season yona le reng ka yona. Ha ga dipale tse tummeng ka corona ke hore e rata serame. Go motho so tshaba le ho khohlela kapa hona ho ukwa ho khwaya mmetsong o so ntse o nahana bontate ba ne ba gana ba tlo. We will not get into sales and distribution of liquors. Such matters are above our pay grades, and our hearts go out to the suffering. However, some of us need winter clothes, and maybe we need food too, wings, etc. The measure would be mandatory takeaway. Kapalena hanava. Liteng. Ho latela ka mo drop e nyonyang ka teng. Ha sale phase 2 ya lockdown e qala. Mohlomong ho ka etswa megalo ya ho tshita boemo. Mohlala, di-taxi di ka sanitizer batho ha ba palama le ha ba theoha. Le hore motho e mong le e mong a tsamaye ka mask. Mabenkele a tlameha ho tiisa melao ya ho arola batho. Hobane ke mona re batla ho etswa ma-primary line ya assembly. As it stands, we still do not have any cases, and this is very cool. This does not mean that we should be reckless with ourselves. If you still do not mind a mess around you, if you are still wrapping your lips around the same cot or scarf, if you are still coughing into your fist, what must we do with you? A grown person like you. Don't be like those people who drank disinfectant cause a certain president told them it kills corona.
Then I see the disinfectant where it knocks it out in a minute, 1 minute. And is there a way we can do something like that by injection inside? Or
Our last words. Be like Ndade Cyril Ramaphosa. Roll with the punches and laugh at yourself.
Well, for those who were laughing at me yesterday,
no way.
Those who were laughing at me, now let me tell you something. I'm going to open a TV channel where I'm going to teach people how to put on a mask.
Stay safe, guys. Let's remember to stay together apart.